Hi, welcome to Ekascloud. Today we are going to discuss about Azure Subscription and Azure Regions and Availability Zones. Subscription is actually an agreement with Microsoft to use one or more cloud platform or services. It starts with a 30-day trial with $200 worth of free services. But once that trial expires, we can only use the services in a pay-as-you-go manner. So if you're linking a credit card to the account after this trial period, uh, then Microsoft will charge you for the services you are using. Also, we can create multiple subscriptions under one account. So here is an image showing how this works. So this is the management group, which is Microsoft Azure. And once we are creating an account in Azure, we can then create multiple subscriptions. These are the symbol for subscriptions, and within that subscriptions, we can create one or more resource groups. So resource groups are basically folders where we can save all the resources we are using, example virtual machines, VNet, SQL, etc. Next, we can discuss about regions. Regions are nothing but location of data center. All the services are hosted within these data centers globally. And also, if the region is closer, then it's more flexible to deploy the application. So the locations of the regions allows you the services and flexibility to deploy the applications which is closer to your users in a redundant manner. An Azure region is one or more of these data centers that are physically located close to each other to ensure low latency networking. Sometimes smaller regions will only have a single data center, but they still have a redundancy features that will be covered in a future post. And we have around 60 plus regions worldwide available in 140 countries. So by this statement, you'll be wondering how come some of the countries are they sharing some of these regions, but it's not like that. Other than regions, Microsoft also provides a different kind of services called point of presence or POP, which provides good services just like a region. So instead of relying on the region, sometimes we can also use these edge locations to access all these services. Next is availability zone. Availability zone are physically separated location within each region that are tolerant to local failures. And these failures can range from software, hardware failures to even natural calamities. Tolerance to failures is achieved because of redundancy and local isolation of services. And to ensure resiliency, a minimum of 3 separate zones will be available in each region. Again, each zones are connected with high performance network. They help your data stay synchronized and accessible when things go wrong. Each zone is also equipped with independent power, cooling, and network services. So if one zone is affected, the other two zones will support the data. So there is a picture showing the availability zone within an Azure region. So these are 3 availability zones which are connected with a good performance network, and each zone will have a separate independent power, cooling, and network services, and all these zones are available within a region, an Azure region. So this is all about subscription regions and availability zones of Microsoft Azure. I hope you like this video. Thank you.